هل تريدين شاركوفي وقتي وطاوي لدينا حل منزلي عشبي قوي علاج مرحبا أنا سينثيا سامسون من قناة ميان العربية الأخبارية مع والدتي. So do you want to have long, thick and strong hairs? So we have powerful, strong herbal remedy, home remedy in fact for it. Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Sampson from Mayan Arab News channel with my mother. Al-Anu Akbaru fi Al-Arabiyati wa Al-Injiliziya wa Al-Franciyo. So now the news in 3 languages, that is in Arabic, English and French. Akbaru bi Al-Arabiyati wa Al-Franciyo bi wasitati Sadiqi min Al-Jazair Lina. So French and Arabic news will be given by my friend from Algeria, Miss Lina.
I am Mrs. Anila Sampson. I am around 67 years of age and I have very lovely long hair in this age.
You can see this.
And
She's
I
got
am very
that.
proud of it. I don't use many things to keep it contained, but I only use first henna. This is henna mehendi, which is available in every market, and you just mix it in a water. This is a container. You just mix this mehendi in a water. After that you can add 1 egg and 1 lemon. I also add coffee in it so that it changes the color and it has a very bright effect. If coffee is not available but tea is available in every home, and you can use tea instead of coffee, or if coffee is not there you can use tea, whatever you like. And this is the brush, you can use it, make everything, make paste, good paste, thick paste, not very thick paste, according to your choice, and you can just apply like this everywhere on whole hair, like this. See, this is a very long hair, and in this I am proud that in this age I have such a beautiful and long hair, and all people in my area, wherever I go, they look at me and they appreciate my hair. So I request everyone to apply all these things to maintain your beauty hair. Main beauty is the woman is what? It's the hair. It's nothing else. Hair is the main beauty of the woman.
Yes. Let me also tell you some benefits that she has spoken about this herbal, mehendi. So it is better than any hair color, because in hair color so much of chemicals are there which can damage your hair. It can make your hair so thin, and it can also lead to hair fall. So herbal mehendi is very much or far better than any hair color. Secondly, talking about coffee, yes, we do mix coffee in her mehendi because it gives a natural brown hair look. Then comes, she spoke about tea. So if you are interested, you can use water to make the thick paste. Otherwise, tea water, black tea water is the best. You just put it in the water, boil it, filter it, and then pour it in the mixture. Then afterwards, talking about the egg. Egg is highly nutritious and it has got lots of protein, especially the yellow part, which we call it yolk, and the white part. You just mix it in the paste, and it is beneficial to bring shine in your hairs naturally. So as such, no conditioners are required, because so much of conditioners are there in the market which have so much of harmful chemicals, and it can further lead to damage of the hairs or hair fall and everything. Now comes the natural remedy, that is lemon. So it helps to remove dandruff from the hairs, because I personally used Heads and Shoulder. It has got so much of harsh chemicals that it has further led to the hair fall. So this is the natural remedy. If you just squeeze one lemon into this, so it will help you to remove the dandruff, and further it will bring natural color also. It will enhance your color if it is mixed with the coffee. So both of the combinations are very good in glorifying or in nurturing the hair color naturally if you go out in the sun. So the hair look which you will get, that is natural coffee brown or sometimes golden color. So this is the natural way. So please don't use any hair color because it will damage your hairs. That's it. And you just have to mix all the mixtures into this. Just mix it, make it a thick paste, apply on your hairs and keep it on hairs for at least 2 to 3 hours. Let it dry. Keep it for 2 to 3 hours. Then afterwards, wash your hairs with any mild herbal shampoo. Don't use any harsh or chemical based shampoo or conditioner. Just use it, with a mild shampoo, and when it will be dried out, don't use any dryer. Just let your hairs dry after the wash naturally, and then you will see the result. Just comb it and then you will see the result. See, she has got long hair since childhood. I have been seeing her that she has been applying this mehendi, and by the grace of God, Alhamdulillah, she at this age, she is 60 plus and she's got such a very long hairs, and I have been also using this, and you can see my hairs also. See, thick, shiny and long hairs. See, both of us have so long
Mother
hairs.
and daughter.
Yes.
She is my daughter and she will inherit it.
Yes.
We
All natural. We are not wearing any wigs or something. You can see my hairs also.
See, I can pull my hair. You can see I am pulling my hair.
Yes.
And see, it's all natural.
Yes.
Yes. See, this is natural. So you have to use whatever my daughter told you. You use it very nicely. Keep it for 2-3 hours. Then rinse it.
And also let me tell you one thing. She has got 60% of her hairs are naturally black. It is not, mostly we see ladies or gents who are 60 plus, they have all grey white hairs. She doesn't have. She has got 60 to 70% black hairs, and rest she applies mehendi on this, and she has got natural long hairs and no hair fall, nothing. She has got shine and everything.
That is all natural.
This is all natural.
Another
Yeah.
chemical.
Yeah, this is all natural.
So if you want to keep your hair healthy, everything, so just apply mehendi only and mix all that which my daughter told you.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
للحصول على شعر طويل وسميك وقوي ولامع بمكونات بسيطة وموجودة في كل بيت، ما عليك سوى إحضار ورقة وقلم لتدوين هذه الخلطة. نحتاج إلى أولا مسحوق الحناء، ثانيا مسحوق القهوة، ثالثا شاي أسود مغلى، رابعا ليمونة واحدة، خامسا حبة بيض. لتحضير هذا الماسك خذي وعاء ضعي فيه مسحوق الحناء، ثانيا أضيفي ملعقتين من مسحوق القهوة، ثالثا اعصري ليمونة واحدة للتخلص من القشرة، كما تساعد على إضفاء اللمعان على الشعر، رابعا ضعي بيضة كاملة لتغذية وترطيب الشعر، خامسا يضاف ماء الشاي الأسود المصفى بعد الغليان في الخليط، سادسا اصنعي عجينة سميكة وبمساعدة فرشاة صبغ الشعر ضعيها على الرأس وفروة الرأس ووزعيها بشكل متساوي، سابعا اتركيها على شعرك لمدة تتراوح ما بين 2 إلى 3 ساعات واغسليها بالشامبو، وبعدها ضعي أي زيت مغذي لديك، ثامنا ضعي هذا الماسك مرة واحدة في الأسبوع. ومن فوائد هذا الماسك أنه يوقف تساقط الشعر، يوقف الشيب المبكر للشعر، يزيل قشرة الرأس، يعطي لون الشعر البني الطبيعي، يجعل الشعر كثيفا وقويا ولامعا، يعزز نمو الشعر ولا ضرر فيه على الشعر لأنه لا يحتوي على مواد كيميائية. Pour obtenir des cheveux longs, épais, forts et brillants avec des ingrédients simples que l'on retrouve dans chaque maison. Il suffit d'apporter un stylo et du papier pour écrire ce mélange. Nous devons le faire. Numéro 1, henné en poudre. Numéro 2, café en poudre. Numéro 3, eau de thé bouillie, filtrée. Numéro 4, un citron. Numéro 5, un œuf. Pour préparer ce mélange, prenez un bol et mettez de la poudre de henné. Ajoutez 2 cuillères à soupe de café en poudre. Pressez un citron pour éliminer les pellicules et aider à ajouter de la brillance aux cheveux. Mettez un œuf entier pour nourrir et hydrater les cheveux. Ajoutez l'eau de thé noir filtrée après avoir fait bouillir de mélange. Faites une pâte épaisse et à l'aide d'un pinceau à teinture capillaire, appliquez-le sur les cheveux et le cuir chevelu et répartissez-la uniformément. Laissez-le sur vos cheveux pendant une période de 2 à 3 heures. Lavez-le avec un shampoing puis appliquez l'huile nourrissante que vous avez. Appliquez ce match une fois par semaine. Et parmi les bienfaits de ce masque, arrête la chute des cheveux, arrête le graissement prématuré des cheveux, élimine les pellicules, donne une couleur naturelle aux cheveux bruns, rend les cheveux épais, forts et brillants, favorise la croissance des cheveux et aucun mal aux cheveux car il ne contient pas des produits chimiques.
كانت هذه سيلفيا سامسون قناتي ميان العربية الأخبارية أشترك في قناتنا الأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والفرنسية والهندية. So this was Cynthia Sampson with you all from Mayan Arab News Channel. Keep watching our channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English, Arabic and French language. Thank you. Shukriya.